Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 physics chapter center of gravity, and this is our part 3. Now we'll start with the topic, that is about position of a body. So the term position of a body refers to the height of the center of gravity from the base on which it is placed. First point is same position of center of gravity. Of center of gravity at different place. Consider a body at point X which has the center of gravity at CG. Let the distance between the center of gravity CG and base D be D. When the body moves from point X to point Y, the distance between CG and D, that is D, remains same. Even though its place changes, the body remains in the same position. Conclusion: if height of the center of gravity from the base remains same, then the position remains same. Second, different position of CG at some places. Different positions of CG at same places. Suppose we place a body at the same place in different positions, then what happens to the center of gravity of the body? Consider the same body and tilt it. When the body is tilted, the distance between the center of gravity and CG and base D on which it rests changes even though the body remains in the same place. Its position changes. Conclusion: if the height between the center of gravity and base changes, then the position of the body changes. We'll learn some thrills in store. Thrills in store. So, our question is that it is a matter of fact that a person can have different positions like sitting, standing, bending, etc. being in same place. How is it possible? So the answer is that it is on account of the reason that a person at same place can have different positions such as sitting, standing, bending, etc. because of change in the distance between center of gravity and center of earth on which he stands. Next question is why a person is not allowed to stand in moving boat in a river. So persons traveling in a small boat to cross the river are not allowed to stand in the boat because they stand the center of gravity and center of gravity of the whole system, that is the boat and the passengers are raised, hence this decreases the stability of boat. Next question is if water leaks out from a hole at the bottom of a hollow sphere full of water, explain what happens to its center of gravity. So the answer is when water leaks out from a hole at the bottom of a hollow sphere, first its center of gravity shifts downward and then rises up to its original position. I hope you have understood till this. Next topic is stability of bodies. So, consider a book placed in three different positions. When the same force is applied on three of these positions, the book in position AB falls in. If the books are like this in A, in B they are like this, and in C they are like this, sleeping. So when the same force is applied on all these positions, the book in positions A and B falls easily, whereas in position C it hardly gets affected. Let us try to analyze the reason behind it. If we observe the above figures, we see that the base of book in position C is the large and height is less when compared to the area and height of the body. Area and height of the book in positions A and B. The center of gravity of the book, the position C is at a lesser height. So the book is more stable in this position. Conclusions. First conclusion. So now these all conclusions are so important. First is a body with the center of gravity at a lesser height more stable than a body with center of gravity at a greater height. Hence the less height with center of gravity is more stable than the greater height with center of gravity. Second, a body with large base area is more stable than a body with small base area. Here, large base area is more stable than the small base area. The stability of body depends on the base area and the height of the center of gravity. The lower the center of gravity and the broader the base of a body, the line of action falls within the base of the body and hence the greater its stability. I hope you have understood till this. In part 4, we'll continue this chapter. As this chapter is small, this won't take more parts. In next part, we'll start with thrilling story and move further. For any queries and doubt, you can join